Hey everyone, John here from Surveyor Pro with a new feature for our AI agent that lets you have a natural language conversation with your Civil 3D files. Today, I'm going to show you how I plotted two complex parcel boundaries from deed descriptions in Civil 3D in under 5 minutes. Something that used to take hours of manual coordinate calculations and polyline drafting. First, if you want to join the beta program, come to surveyor-pro.com and select our new beta release. Fill out your email here to get instant access, and then follow our simple three-step installation guide to getting started today. So the problem. Traditional workflow for these deed descriptions is manually parsing bearings, calculating coordinates, convert curves to bulge factors, and this is all prone to errors, right? And like, for example, the bearing conversions, quadrant to azimuth, we're doing tedious curve mathematics, arc lengths, radiuses, chord calculations. We're using multiple software products, simple calculator to Excel to CAD. And it's easy to make mistakes that don't uh, close properly. So what's the solution? Surveyor Pro, Pro's AI agent lets us do this in just a few minutes. So here I have Claude up. I'm going to go ahead and ask it, please help me draw up parcels in these deeds in Civil 3D. I'm going to drop in our Word document. It could also be a PDF document coming straight from the local ordinance or county. And we're going to go ahead and hit enter. We're going to let this run for in the background while I talk about some of what we're seeing here. So we're intelligently parsing multiple bearing formats. We are doing automatic curve conversions. We're calculating the bulge factors from arc lengths, radiuses, and chord data. And we're going to get also an instant closure report from this as well. So it'll tell us immediately if the traverse closes on all the two parcels that we are working on right now. It's also going to do some layer management. So it's going to give us a color-coded layers automatically. It's also going to do true arc geometry, no approximate polylines, but actual arc segments with proper bulge factors. So you can see it here running in the background. You can also see more of the detailed responses that are coming to and from Civil 3D. So nothing is actually being a black box right now. You can actually go in and see how everything is being calculated, being done. So there's no magic that's necessarily taking place. So here we go. We got our closure reports, 0.002 feet, 0.007 feet. So these look pretty good. And then we're going to go ahead and go into Civil 3D. And now we can see in Civil 3D the two plots that it drew out for us. So what just happened? Claude parsed the legal descriptions, the lines, the curves, the bearings, the distances. It converted these bearings from quadrant format to decimal degrees, calculated degree angles and bulge factors for each curve. It sent these commands directly to Civil 3D via our Surveyor Pro AI agent. It created the polylines with the proper arc segments and it validated closure and calculated the areas. And it did this all in seconds, not hours. So Surveyor Pro's AI agent, we have nearly 100 specialized functions for Civil 3D, from alignments, profiles, surfaces, pipe networks, and parcels. And that's just all scratching the surface. So what are these results, right? We got two lots or parcels created in seconds. We got nearly perfect closure, and we did this all in under 5 minutes. And we did 0 manual calculations. So we believe here at Surveyor Pro that this is the future for civil engineering workflows. AI that understands our technical language and can operate our tools directly. Our AI agent server bridges the gap between natural language and CAD precision. Please come to surveyor-pro.com for more information. Thanks, everyone.